basically, you just want to go around the perimeter here, and that's pretty much it. And then we're going to stick it on here. We're going to tighten it down. Alright, so let's build this gasket really quick. Start over here. Alright, so there you go. Gasket is made. Now we're just going to get ready and stick it on said block. Alright. Oh, what a pain in the ass that is, but it's on, and that's all that matters. Alright. Next thing to do is put on the oil pickup. I noticed that whoever had this before either lowered it and they trashed their oil pan because this is dented, but it seems to be working good. I ran some water through it, cleaned it up. It seems to be pretty good, so we're going to use it anyway. So we've got our gasket. I'm going to drop that down over here, set this guy up on here. Alright, these guys are going 9 foot-pounds. Alright, so I gotta be really careful now because we're gonna put the rear main seal on. I have the seal right there. We pressed out the seal, put the new one in. I gotta put some gasket maker on there, and we're gonna slam it on here and get it ready to go on. Bolt it on, tighten it up, and then we can put the engine back on the stand. Alright, got the rear main seal done. So make sure you put assembly grease all over this, all over the inside, and then make sure you put your gasket maker on there around this. Basically slam it on there, torque it down 10 foot-pounds. It's 9 foot-pounds, but because I'm doing turbo, I'm going to go extra foot-pound. So 10 foot-pounds for me, and that's pretty much it. The only other stuff I got to do now, I'm just going to put this back onto the stand, and then basically get ready to do more assembly. Got to get the head stuff done so that we can get the head put on here. I guess I can go ahead and mount the oil pan, even though we're gonna have to drill this, so we're gonna have to take it back off later. I might see if I can find a tap that we can go ahead and tap it and just leave it tapped, but put like a seal over the top or something, like cap it off, so that it'll be ready for the turbo, and we're almost there. Alright, so let me get this put back together and put it back on the stand, and then I'll return. Alright, so we got the oil pump on, tensioners on, basically buttoned up in the back, so we're good to go there. Pretty much now I just need to send the head to the shop, which I need to call them Monday. I'm going to clean the bottom bracket up for the alternator, and then we'll get that ready to be thrown in, and that's pretty much it, man. We're good to go. I will hope this helps somebody. You guys take it easy. Peace out.